Good morning, pumpkin pie. Hi. Turtle, come here. Hi, chicken. Monkey. Look, Froggy is a cat. Okay, no, she's so stuck. Bye, chicken. Penguin. Black. Say bye. What is that?
That's a lion, Oakland.
Wow. Where's yours at? Yours is the quarter.
Welcome to Oak's Playhouse. We are at the zoo. We're gonna learn our animals today. What animal are you really excited to see?
A penguin.
Well, I don't know if there's any penguins here, but we'll find out, Vloggy.
We're headed to see the giraffe.
Let's go see the giraffe.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's my favorite animal too. Look, Froggy is a cat.
Do you want to do primates or polar bear?
Polar bear. Monkey.
This way.
Monkey. Monkeys. I see two monkeys. I see a black one and the brown one.
Oakland, what animal is this?
Zebra.
That is a zebra.
Zebra. No otter.
That's an ostrich, Oakland. You see, they're ostriches because they have 2 legs and really long necks. And did you know that ostriches can run up to 40 miles an hour?
Yeah.
That's pretty scary. If one of them gets behind you, they're gonna get you.
It's gonna take out Froggy.
Did you hear that?
What is that?
That's a lion, Oakland.
You see that? Mom.
Look at him.
Mom. Whoa.
What does the lion say?
Where?
Is that how he says it, or does he say roar?
It says, hey, can you go down there?
No, we cannot. Because if we go down there, he might eat us. Because he's hungry. He likes to eat little babies.
He eats wheels. There's more lions right there. Maybe someone here.
Sleeping.
Do you see him, Oakland?
Sleeping way back there.
Do you see him, Oakland?
The big white.
Is he sleeping?
Yeah.
Say goodnight, polar bear.
Not the bear. Hey, the penguins aren't closed yet.
What kind of animals are those, Oakland?
Penguins.
Are those your favorite? Do you love penguins?
Black.
Where?
There's a duck on there.
Oh, that is a green duck, isn't that?
Yeah.
Oakland, look at these.
Can we go in there?
No, the penguins will eat us.
Hey, look at that 2 ducks.
There's 2 more ducks? Where?
2. Hey, what's in here?
I think that's where the penguins swim.
No, the orange are there. Hey.
So, let's go look at the seals. Look at him, he's stretching, just like you do gymnastics. Do you see him?
Yeah.
Where is he?
Hey, that one's the other one's sleeping.
He is sleeping.
Wake up!
He's taking a big nap right now, isn't he?
Wake up!
That's pretty silly. Okay, let's go.
You wait the frog. The zoo's open. The I will feed that one. I will feed that one. Hey, I will feed this one.
He's hungry too, Oakland. He's hungry. Aww.
What's this?
Can you smile?
What is this? I don't go. This one too. This one? This one too. This. Oh.
Hello, Oakland.
Two. Hi. Where's it going? Oh, there. Porcupine! Good morning, porcupine. Wake up, porcupine. Wake up! Hey, check out this chair. Hey, what's this?
Do you see the turtles?
Yeah. Turtle, wake up!
That's a big snake.
Look at this one. I can't reach it. Come back. Come back.
Do you want to touch him just with your hands?
No.
This is a capybara.
I'm gonna feed the capybaras.
Oh.
Hey!
What is that? Do you know what those are?
Yeah.
What are they?
Pigs.
Guinea pigs.
Yeah.
Can you count how many guinea pigs there are?
1, 2, 3.
A lemur. Lemurs are so cute. Do you see them? Do you see them?
Yeah.
Here.
Hey, you see this animal?
That's a tiki. There's a snake right there. Do you see the snake?
He's not up the
Look,
gas.
he's under the grass. Do you see him right there?
Really?
Is that pretty crazy?
He's not in the water. Whoa, look at this one. Turtle, come here. Come here, chicken.
Ah.
Hi, chicken. Oh.
Hi, chicken. Oh, look at the chicken.
Chicken! Eat it.
Oh, give him an apple.
A frog. He's wet. Chicken. Hi, chicken. Hey.
It's gonna go all the way back there, okay?
And they're coming to get it. Wants a snack. Can you put an egg in there for him?
He's waiting for you.
Put your egg in there.
I will get it for him.
Okay, this is the last egg, okay?
Well, Oakland, there's one more place. Okay, fine. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Can I get another one?
We're all out of eggs.
Yep, those ones are only eggs.
Can I pet him?
Just like that. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, look, feed the baby. Can you hold it right there? Hold it. Don't let go. Hold it tight.
Do you know what animal that is right there?
I can know. He's so fat.
Oakland, look. Look at this, Oakland. Do you see that, Oakland?
Flat, okay? Oh! On my feet.
Oakland, look how many birds there are. Oakland, is there a bird on my head? Jared.
Yep.
Oh, okay, get the bird. Oh. Do you want to touch him?
Yeah.
No, babe.
I don't want coming through.
Hold your feet, okay? Okay. Ah! Oh no.
Prairie dog.
Yep, are you feeding the prairie dog right now?
Oh my gosh! He just pulled it down.
Are you feeding the prairie dog, Oakland?
How many are there? Oh my.
Are they pretty hungry, Oakland?
Look, he wants it so bad.